Hello everyone, this is Mr. Chan of Philippine Kuchar College, Manila. Today, I will show you how to register at PCC Parents Portal with 3 easy steps. First, fill up the form in Parents Portal, then confirm your email address and add your child's name. That's it. Now, I am going to elaborate how to do this. First, go to www.philippinekucharcollege.edu.ph, then click Parents Portal in the navigation menu. This link will direct you to the Parents Portal. Then choose your language here, whether English or Zhongwen. Then click Create New Account. Here in New Account, just fill up the Parents Registry form. Remember that this information should belong to the parents, not to the students. Just provide all the information like last name of the parents, first name of the parents, middle name, mobile number of the parents, email address, WeChat ID, Facebook Messenger, Viber number, username, and password. For this username and password, please take note and remember because you will be using this every time you log in at Parents Portal. Then just answer a simple math to confirm that you are not a computer. Then click Proceed. Then you will see this message. Remember that the email address can be only used once. If you use it twice, you will receive this message. After this, please open your email inbox and check for PCC Parents Portal registration like this. Then click Confirmation link. Sometimes you will receive it from the spam. Confirmation link will direct you to login page of the Parents Portal. In Parents Portal, fill up your username and password, then click Login. After entering your own portal, please add your child here. Please fill up the information correctly. The system will check if the information is correct. Only the correct and complete information will allow you to successfully add your child. First name use it. Please include the complete first name or given name of the child. For example, if the first name of the child has 2 words, like Tan John Robert Yao, you have to put John Robert instead of John. You must type the 2 words, not only 1 word, to make it valid. Student ID number can be found on the ID of the students just below the barcode. The child birthday should be in the format of MMBB YYYY. For example, the birthday of the child is May 18, 2020. Type 05/18/2020. Remember, the student can only be added once by the parents. If you have more than 1 child, just repeat this procedure. After adding the information, you may see your child's name below. Then you will see his or her report card here and the school official's announcement, memo, enrollment and registration procedures, and assessment form. If you have difficulties in adding student or registering your account, you may contact us through FB Messenger, WeChat, or Viber. Or simply click the Contact Us located on the menu and it will direct you to the contact page of our website where you can see all the information needed. Thank you. Have a nice day.